Hey guys, it's me Alyssa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some fluffy slime. So first you're going to need a bowl or something to mix in, something to mix with, and you're going to need some glue. I'm using Elmer's glue, glitter glue. Then you're needing some shaving foam. I'm using this kind. Then you will be needing some Tide. Let's get started. Now you want to just start by pouring out your glue to however much you want. Sorry for the noise. Go. That much. And close it. Go. Then shake your shaving cream. And then put how much you want. Just kind of Go. Let's put a little more. Gotta shake it some more when that happens. There we go. Pour it right out. Okay. Now you're just going to mix it now. And it should turn into like a really pretty blue. Okay. Keep on mixing it till it gets to really pretty, like a baby bluish color. Get it all in. There we go. So it gets like that, like a really pretty baby blue. And then now you just I'm gonna pour some Tide inside the cap, or you could just pour it inside. But I would recommend pouring it inside the cap. I'm just gonna put a little bit, no measurements, so kind of just mostly eyeing it, or just putting kind of whatever much you want. Just gonna mix it till it doesn't stick anymore to the spoon or the bowl. Get out. Sorry. Hey, get out of here. Stick to me. I'm gonna mix it around. Try to get all the scraps off too on the sides. And then I'm just gonna grab it with my hands now. It's so fluffy. I'm just gonna start by kneading it. It gets a little sticky, but it's okay. Just keep on kneading it. You'll just add some Tide to it. Getting better, but it's still really sticky. So I'm just gonna get some Tide, pour some on, and then start by mixing it. There we go. It looks like a white, but it is a really pretty blue. So if it keeps on getting sticky, or if it's still really sticky, just keep on adding Tide till it gets to the texture you want. But if you want sticky, then keep it sticky. But I like mine non-sticky. It's really up to you. There we go. And then it will just be your slime. So this is the color of my slime. It's a really pretty blue with some pretty sparkles. So it's really pretty. Really, really pretty baby blue. Put it right there. So it makes good poking noises. So look, you can tell it's blue. So that. Then I'm just gonna scrape some of the slime that was stuck, or shaving cream, or whatever Tide that was stuck, and just put it into my slime. Oh, it's really sticky now because I added that. So let's add some Tide. There we go. There we go. I'm just gonna mix it. So this is how to make fluffy glitter glue, slime, whatever you want to call it. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you guys want me to make more YouTube videos or DIYs or stuff like that. So make sure you guys let me know in the comments down below, and like, comment, like, subscribe, comment down below. Bye guys.